Greetings of the day, dear children. Today we are starting with our chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. Let us start our exercise 3.1. Here in 3.1 exercise, before starting with this exercise, first I suppose you have read about the factors and multiples. So let us start exercise 3.1, question number 1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Now here different parts are given and for them we need to write all the factors. Now what are factors? Factors are those numbers which can easily divide the given number. Whatever the number is given to us, we just need to find out in which table that particular number comes. So let us start with first part. It is 24 given. You just need to think how we will solve this question. For this you just need to think that 24 comes in the table of what all numbers. As 1 is a factor of all numbers, so we will always start with 1 and that number itself. These two numbers are the factor of the given numbers. So in the table of 1, 24 come 24 times. 1 24s are 24. So we will start with 1, then we will think with 2 also, as it is an even number. Yes, of course it will go with 2 also. 2 12s are 24. Then with 3, yes, 24 come in the table of 3 also. 3 8s are 24. Then 4 6 are 24. After 4 in the table of 5, 24 never comes. Then 6 4s are 24. Now here you can see the numbers are repeating again. So what I will do, here I have written 1 2 3 4 6. Now they are repeating again. So after 6 it will come 8 3s are, just reciprocal the numbers. 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24 and 24 1s are 24. So therefore these first column, they are the factors of 24. So therefore the factors are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. You just need to find out the given number comes in what all tables and you may need to mention those numbers. Let us move ahead with another part. Here I have taken D part now, 27. Now for again 27 you need to think in which table 27 comes. First we will always start with 1. 1 27s are 27 and then after that it comes in the table of 3. 3 9s are 27 and then after 3 it comes in the table of 9. Again it is repeating, the factors are repeating. 9 3s are 27. Similarly 27 1s are 27. So there are only 4 factors which can divide 27 completely, which are 1 3 9 and 7. In similar way you will do all these 9 parts. Let us move ahead with question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of the given parts. Now what are multiples? Multiples are those number which can get easily divided by the given number. In here we have to write the table of the given numbers. So first part is 5. First 5 they are asking, so you just start with the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. These are the first 5 numbers which can easily be divisible by 5. Similarly for second part, 8 is given. So write the table of 8. You just need to write the answers. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, because they are asking 5. If they'll ask for more, we'll increase the number. Then for 9, again 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. So this was your question number 2 of exercise 3.1. Let us do question number 3 now. Now 3 to be done in book itself. Match the item first in column 1 with the items in column 2. So how you need to match these two columns. How we'll match? We'll read the first. We'll do in the opposite way. Multiple of 8. You just need to see which number will easily get divisible by 8. So you can easily see 35 never comes, 15 never comes, 16 comes. Yes. So for A part the answer is third. Similarly for multiple of 7, 35 is easily divisible. So first part is the answer. Multiple of 70 means multiple of 70 Now this question, multiple of 70, we are unable to find any number. This question is continuing to the next page. 25 is also given and we have more answer here. So this part we will leave as there is no such answer. Factor of 30. Now again, for factor of 30 means 30 can be divisible by which number? Yes, 15 is a factor of 30. It can be divisible by 15 easily. So this is your second part. Now for E part, we have to look for factor of 50. Straight away answer is in front only. This is fifth part. Factor of 50 is 25. 25 can easily divide 50. And for factor of 20, this fourth part is left. The number itself is a factor. So these are your answer. We'll leave C part. For first part, answer is B. For second part, answer is D. For third part, answer is A. For fourth part, answer is F. And for fifth part, answer is E. This was your question number 3. Let us move ahead with question number 4 now. In question number 4, what the question is saying, find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Now you need to write the table of 9 till the multiple of 100, means whatever the number will come less than 100, till there you have to mention the table of 9. So let us start. It is 9 ones are 9, less than 100, 9 twos are 18, less than 100, 3s are 27, 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 9 4s are 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Now don't stop your counting here or table here, because we need to write up to 100. So 9 11s are 99 also we need to write. Now 9 12s is 108. 112 is bigger than this, so we will mention it till 99. So this was your question number 4 of exercise 3.1.